from now. If I'm not feeling any less sound, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower. And climbing to the top, will throw myself up in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're sharing.
So jadi hari ini kita mau kerja guys, kerja. Dan oh my god, I really love my lips. Jadi kita dapat produk baru dari Meme Eci kemarin. Mana ya? Oh, ini. Aku pakai dari OMG. Aku tuh biasa jarang banget untuk pakai kayak lip cream gitu. Aku biasa pakai lip tint karena teksturnya itu lebih ringan dan lebih ngerasa light aja gitu kan. But right now, bagus juga coy, bagus banget. Match juga.
Seru nggak tadi belajarnya? Iya. Seru banget. Seru.
Loncat-loncat dong.
Kenapa seru? Ini hujannya ngelawak atau gimana?
Many people assume that buying decisions are simple and instantly. Many people assume that buying decision itu lanjutkan Zim? Okay. Many people assume that buying decisions are simple and happen instantly. However, in the customer, pos aja yo. However, in the Customer Behavior by Michael Solomon, Chapter 7. However, in the Customer Behavior by Michael Solomon, Chapter 7, it's about deciding. Customer decision making, it's actually a structure cognitive. Udah kelihatan, Pete? Okay. Tuh, 2, 3. Customer decision making is actually a structured cognitive process influenced by both rational thinking and behavioral limitation. Solomon explained two systems of decision making. First, slow thinking, system 2, and a fast thinking, system 1. Slow thinking is logical, analytical, and effortful, while fast thinking is automatic and based on habits or heuristics. So, for high involvement decision, customers tends to use slow thinking. This supported by a search from For high involvement decisions, customer tends to use slow thinking. This supported by search from the Kahneman 2011 Nobel Prize work on behavioral economics, which shows that humans only use analytical thinking when decisions are perceived as important or risky. In the rational decision-making model, there are 5 structure stages. First is problem recognition. First is the problem recognition, where the customer identify a gap between their current condition and desired condition. For example, parents realize that their children need structured skill development such as music education. Second is information. Search. Yeah? Okay. Second is information search. According to the Think with the Google Customer Insight 2023, more than 18% of the customers search online before purchasing a service or product, showing that digital search of behavior dominates modern decision making. This third is evaluation of alternatives. Where the customer compare options based on attributes such as price, quality, and reputation. Research in the Journal of the Customer Research shows that too many options can actually reduce decision quality due to cognitive overload. Fourth is the product choices, where the customer select the most acceptable option rather than the perfect one. This aligns with the Simon's concept of bounded rationality, where the humans satisfy instead of the optimize. Fifth is the post-purchase evaluation, where the customer assesses a satisfaction after using the product or service. Studies in the Journal of the Marketing Research shows that post-purchase satisfaction strongly influence repeat purchase and loyalty intentions. In the real context of education service at Ambara Music Academy in Bengkulu, this decision process is not such a random thing. It follows a structured psychological model influenced by information, search behavior, cognitive limits, and satisfaction evaluations. Therefore, customer decision making is not only rational calculation, but a combination of the structured thinking, but a combination of the structured thinking, limited of attention, and behavioral psychology. As explained as Solomon chapter 7. In customer behavior, belum woy. Okay. Ini untuk chapter 4 ya. In a customer behavior theory by Michael Solomon, chapter 7 is about chapter 4 is about learning, remembering, and knowing. Customer decisions are not only based on what happens at the moment of choice. What happens at the moment of choice, but are strongly shaped by past learning. And memory structures. Okay. Solomon explains that customers store in information in what is called a knowledge structure, which is a network of experiences, association, and brain information stored in the long-term memory. This structure influences how customers interpret and evaluate products or service. So this concept is supported by research in the cognitive psychology, particularly the work of Anderson and knowledge network, which shows that human memory is organized in the associative systems, not isolated facts. In a customer behavior, this means that people do not evaluate brands from zero. Instead, they rely on the memory based on decision making. One key process is a cognitive learning, where the customer learns through exposure, experiences, and observation. For example, seeing advertisement, hearing recommendation, or observing others using a service. Another important process is memory encoding and retrieval. According to the research published in the journal Customer Research, information that is repeat or emotionally meaningful is more likely to be stored in the long-term memory and later retire during decision making. In the real context, such as Ambara Music Academy in Bengkulu, parents may choose a music course not only based on the current evaluation, but also because the brand is already familiar in their memory through the social media exposure, peer recommendation, or prior knowledge. So this is strongly supported by the study in the Journal of Marketing Research, which found that brand familiarity and significantly increased trust and purchase intention, even when the objective information about alternatives is limited. So, Solomon also explained that the customer tend to prefer familiar brands because the cognitive processing is easier. This is called processing influency. This is called processing influency, where the brain prefers information that easier to recognize and recall. Therefore, customer decision making is not only a rational evaluation at the time of the purchase, but also the result of accumulated learning, memory structure, and the brand familiarity built over time. Hello everyone, my name is Zakia Salsabila Nadia Putri, and you can call me Zakia, and I'm from Management Study Program at University of Bengkulu. And today I'm gonna talk to you about the material of the Chapter 7 and the Chapter 4 by Michael Solomon.
Rana perkenalan diri. Halo, nama aku. Halo, nama aku Rana. Nanti Rana belajar sama siapa? Aku belajar sama Mr. Habib. Mau belajar lagu apa nanti? Lagu apa itu? Lagu Peace Number 6. Coba ngomong. Nanti mau main Peace Number 6. Nanti mau main Peace Number 6. Dadah.
Tinggal klik ini yang atas. Nah, kan pindah ke atas. Yang bawah dihapus. Oke. Ini juga ini G kan pindah ke atas. B-nya dihapus ya. Hah? Ini pakai face kan kita udah belajar face. Ada harus belajar, harus tahu adanya ini ada apa. Ini kan misalnya yang ini misalnya ini C berarti di atas C. Nah berarti ini adalah beneran nggak bohong. Garis ini sebenarnya ini yang mana? Yang ini seperti yang kamu? Coba satu lembar nih. Mainnya ketinggian. Oh bisa. Mainnya ketinggian. Coba aku. Ini juga urut naik kalau kayak gini. Terus ini. Nah, ini kan coba tarik yang ini. Nah, coba bisa begini dong main. Ini apa ada bentuk R, A, C. Ini kayak di sini. Kalau dia kecil. Kalau mau
Ini dapatlah hitungan di bulan April.
Jadi tanggal berapa aja tuh?
Nah, tanggal 4, tanggal 11.
Dapat kan?
Tapi udah jadwal ganti dah sih tanggal 11.
Yang jadwal ganti itu yang tanggal 15. Yang tanggal 15 tuh dia pin ganti di tanggal 11 April. Karena hujan kan? Karena 15 itu dia nggak bisa masuk. Waktu dia mendapat jadwal kan? Soalnya dia waktu tanggal 8 April. 8 April tuh tanggal 15.
C. C. Nanti di sini kita tulis C. Klik di sini. Tulis C. Tinggal tulis C. Nah, jadi C. Ini apa? Nah, itu di sini E. Nah, selanjutnya kerjain 4 baris ya. Sekarang ya kita sama ini aja 4 baris itu berapa? Samain namanya ini.
Paling ya kayak gitu lagi ya Bang. Karena kan kebetulan juga slot kosong kemungkinan sama 9. Ini kan di bulan ini ada 2. Sabtu pagi jam 9.05
Sama Mr. Ewo ya.
Mr. Ewo di jam 11 gitu Bu. Cuman coba kalau misalnya